Hi everyone, welcome to Mystery Garden Wellscape. This is the Grishma Reddy, horticulturist. So we are located in Jigni Bomsandra Link Road. We are majorly into landscaping and metal fabrication services. So today in my background you can see there's a beautiful polyhouse which has been designed and executed by team Mystery Garden Wellscape at Jigni Farmhouse. So here it is like a complete makeover of polyhouse where we have done polyhouse and vegetable garden with drip irrigation and sprinklers, hydroponics and a combination of all vegetable plants, herbal plants and flowering plants. This polyhouse dimension is 60 by 40 where we have used two types of poly sheet. The one is white color and at the top in the dome area you can see it is blue color, mainly to have a selected rays absorption from the sun. Here we have used the shade net as well for to have the air circulation, and also we have used this poly sheet rolling technique as well, so that if we need air circulation and if we need light circulation inside the polyhouse, which is also being done. So this is one of the technique where we have used to roll the poly sheet as well. So here you can see we have one layer of poly sheet and one layer of net inside. So we want air circulation, so we will be just rolling upside so that the sheet whatever is there, it will be rolled upwards so that the air circulation for the plants is done. This is the interior look of the polyhouse where you can see some of the works are still going on, and we have the shade net for the roof as well. Even if when it is too sunny, you can just roll up the white shade net so that the sunlight to the polyhouse is really less. Inside the polyhouse, as you all know, the temperature will be too huge. The reason it will be absorbing more sun rays because of the thickness of the poly sheet as well. So that's the reason to maintain the temperature inside the polyhouses. We are just developing the sprinklers. Even it will be helpful for the plants also to get the required atmosphere for their growth as well. So here we have done the raised planters to grow different types of vegetables as well. We have used nutritious growing media, which is a combination of coco peat, vermicompost, wet soil, perlite, different type of other nutrients to get nutrients, complete balanced nutrition for the plants as well. And each planter dimension is 9 by 4, where we have divided each planter to grow different types of vegetables so that the plant enjoys different types of vegetables year round. And the pathways is being done by using stepping stones and jelly as well, so that even if anyone walks on this pathway as well, they don't feel like muddy. And this specialized bed is mainly for the plants which are herbal quality and flowering plants as well, like marigold and chrysanthemums and other plants which attract butterflies. And now we are installing the foggers as well, so where it will reduce and maintain the temperature inside the polyhouses. Whenever the temperature is high, we will be having an automated drip, sprinkler and fogger system as well. So depending on the requirement of the vegetables, so we will be automating the sprinkler and drip and foggers as well.